And for more now, we are joined by Bloomberg's equities reporter, Stephanie Hughes, to break down a couple of the big companies we were just talking about. Stephanie, it's good to see you. So we just mentioned IA Financial shares way down to end the day today. Can you dig deeper into what's going on there?
Absolutely, Lindsay. Yeah, IA Financial really did not have a good day today. Those shares were down by nearly 14% at its lowest point, which marked the company's biggest intraday drop since the onset of the pandemic in March 2020. And that's because the insurance and wealth management firm's core earnings of $3.10 per share really just fell short of what analysts were expecting. And that prompted Scotiabank to downgrade the company to a sector outperform rating, which is like moving a stock to a hold from a buy rating. So they said that while they did see some positive elements in the quarter, the results were just underwhelming compared to what IA Financial's peers brought to the market during this earnings season this time around. They also added that while they still see some long-term potential for the company, in a note before the market opened today, they said that they were expecting some pressure on shares because of these results. And that's exactly what we saw, to the tune of a double-digit decline at its worst today. Then you had National Bank's Gabriel Dechaine saying the fourth quarter was a letdown, in his words, as distribution fees and commissions really led to a bigger miss here, a bigger part of the miss, I should say. So all in all, analysts were really characterizing this as a tough quarter to end what had been a pretty decent year for IA, Lindsay.
Yeah, that's what's so interesting, is that apparently it was a good year overall for the company. It just doesn't look like it today, as you say, not the best day. And of course, just wanted to say also, we're going to be chatting with the CEO of IA today at 4:40 p.m. Eastern time, so stick around for that. But Stephanie, you're also talking about TFI International today, a trucking and logistics company, also announcing its earnings as well this week.
That's right. Yeah. So another decliner on the TSX was TFI International. Like you mentioned, it's a logistics, trucking, and shipping company. Those shares fell by 8% at its lowest point, about its biggest drop in about a week. And while its fourth quarter results did come ahead of what analysts were expecting, it was the first quarter forecast that came in a little light. So the company sees its EPS ranging between 50 to 60 cents a share, and that's well below the Bloomberg consensus estimates of around 80 cents per share. So TD Cowen's team said TFI's freight subsidiary T-Force did help boost some stronger margins and helped end a challenging year on a bottom line beat. But all in all, the next quarter guidance is still a little bit light, and that's what traders are really focusing on here. That's what's causing a bit of this sell-off today, Lindsay.
Interesting stuff. Okay, we will leave it there. That's Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes reporting live for us. Stephanie, thanks so much as always.